Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Having these at room temperature helps them combine smoothly, creating a perfect dough for delicious homemade pasta. Let's get started. Now, let's mix our ingredients. Create a well in the center of your flour on a clean surface. Crack the eggs into the well, then add the salt and olive oil. Slowly incorporate the flour into the wet ingredients until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic, indicating it's ready. After kneading, it's crucial to let your dough rest. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This resting period relaxes the gluten, making the dough much easier to roll. Divide the dough into 4 portions, then roll each piece thinly using a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Finally, it's time to shape and cook your pasta. Once rolled, cut the dough into your preferred pasta shapes like fettuccine or tagliatelle. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Cook the fresh pasta for only 2 to 4 minutes. It cooks much faster than dried pasta. Serve your delicious homemade pasta immediately with your favorite sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.